Ever wonder why you sometimes sneeze out of nowhere? It's more than just dust or pollen. Those sudden sneezes can actually be triggered by bright lights. This odd reaction, called the photic sneeze reflex, affects about 18 to 35% of the population. When exposed to bright light, like stepping outside on a sunny day, your body can overreact, leading to a sneeze. It's like your body protecting you while adjusting to the brightness. Next time you sneeze in the sun, know that it's just your quirky reflex in action. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.